Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Òṣé Méjì dedicates himself to the art and practice of Ifa. As soon as he became wealthy, Òṣé Méjì decided to abandon struggle. Since he did not know any other profession, he decided to hire a number of Bàbáláwos under contract to live with him. He managed to get some of the most skillful Awas from the surrounding world to either live with him or to make regular visits to his house for the purposes of divination. One of these Ifa priests was Sekele Baba Laro Ile Runmila.